yes, no. Nothing goes on record. It all gets muted.
I mute all my stuff too.
Because half the time it's me talking to the dog. I always delete the...
Okay, all right, fine.
Yeah, no worries,
Go
Marilee.
ahead and go back to your post.
No blackmail, no nothing.
Alright, cross on the diagonal, change the direction. Okay, so this is really good. You're getting him to totally relax, right? And just chill out with you. I like this very much. Make a circle down there at C. Let me see you put a little bit of a bend on him. Good girl. Add a cluck. Very good. All right, now try a little sit trot, Emily. Shorten the stride. Good girl, stay there. Relax your tummy. Keep your knees forward, keep your thighs forward. Beautiful, honey. Good, all right. Now let him walk. Give him a big pat.